YouTube. So it's Christmas Eve, so still got one more guitar to do before it's done. This is White Heat. The owner of this guitar is a Velvet Underground fan, like a Lou Reed, and he likes his Bowie and all that. He's the one that did. He had like a Bowie guitar that had a crazy face etched in it, or like a in behind epoxy, bad looking thing. So this time he's done an all white Les Paul, and I think it looks pretty damn good. I've actually got this back. I wired this up 2 weeks ago because he was waiting for the neck to get painted or something like that. So I just got the body. So I was like, I wired it up, but I can't 100% guarantee that everything's wired up right, and it wasn't working. So I've got it back now that I can actually test it. I think the reason was, I think it was a bad pot, because when I went to pull the knobs off, that just came out. So I think when you've got like a dodgy component, it was just earthing the whole guitar. So I had to put a new one of them in. So now it's working the way it was meant to. He originally said something about the Jimmy Page wiring, because he was like, if you're going to put stuff in, you might as well put it all in. You can't do Jimmy Page wiring with a normal 3-way switch though, so I didn't do it. I was aware of that before, but for me the in-series thing's not really that useful, so instead it's got a coil, not a coil, it's got a high-pass filter circuit similar to what I found in a Yamaha Revstar as the last one. So I've got four knobs, coil split for the neck pickup, coil split for the bridge pickup, master series phase, out of phase switch, and a high-pass filter on the two tones. So we've got the neck now working. And that's coil splittable to be a single coil. You just put 9s on it, it's 9s in a Les Paul. If you're super bendy, might even be lower than that. So you got neck pickup, and then split. Both pickups on and humbucker. Both pickups on in single coil. Single coil out of phase. Just getting thinner sound and thinner sound. Okay, so both humbuckers out of phase. Maybe the sort of Peter Greeny sound. The other knob is a high pass filter, so it just takes away all the bass. Alex, you should have plenty of things to fidget with this, because, like I've said before, with the Jimmy Page switch, although this isn't fully on the Jimmy Page, it's got doesn't have the series switch, which you need a special switch for. But I mean, you've got the variants of being able to have, you know, either one of them in single coil or humbucker mode, and then being able to volume between the two. So there's a ridiculous amount of sounds that are available out of this. Whether you end up using them all, so you get like out of phase, humbucker, and single coil. And if you roll down the humbucker, things will change. You end up with lots of different stuff. That's before you high cut filter and then put some tone on. These strings have just gone on it, so they're not holding tune. Also, the fact that they're so light might be something to do with that, but I think they've not been stretched in. I'll just put them on and make sure it worked. Turn off all the things so it's actually the tuner picks it up. There we go. Yeah, these strings ain't stretched. You can just tell. Fun. Yeah, so there you go. Guitar's done. I'll give him my phone just now and see if he's able to come pick it up tonight. So I reckon the reason it wasn't working, it was just a dodgy pot. I just don't think it worked at all. And when something doesn't work, you know, whether it's shorting out or just not allowing any signal through or anything like that, that's pretty much the problem. That's what you get when you by giving me a guitar that doesn't have a neck, so there's no way of checking. I was tapping on a screwdriver and everything seemed to be sort of alright, but you can't tell volume. And apparently it was sort of working, but it was like about a tenth of the volume it should be, which would just imply that volume control was shorting out to earth somehow, the one that wasn't working. Fun guitar. Notice he's painted or coated the hardware white as well, which I think looks rather good. I mean, I think this is an excellent looking project, with his own logo in the headstock and everything. He's even painted the tuners. No, I think this is very cool. I don't know whether I think I'd imagine White Heat's from the Velvet Underground song, if I can even remember which song that actually is, but yeah, so an under 10-minute video. That's been the first one in months. Rock on, everyone, have a great Christmas, stay safe, catch you later.